Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can delete the file of the Mega or how you can remove the files from there. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the Mega app. I'm going to click on this. And after clicking on the Mega app, now simply we have to choose the file or the folder which we want to delete or remove. Now simply, for example, I want to remove this file. So I'm going to click on this option. And now simply we have to go to the option. As you can see, you will be able to see the move to trash, you will be able to get the option move to rubbish bin. So I'm going to click on this, and now simply we have to click on these options. As you can see, now the profile is provided here. You have to click on the profile and you will be able to see all the options here. We have to click on the rubbish bin. As you can see, currently we have this file. Now simply we have to click on this. As you can see, we have to delete it permanently, and now we have to click on the OK, and this file or the folder will be permanently deleted. So in this way you can delete any kind of file or the folder on the Mega. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.